attention on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
Let's take a moment for this highlight.
I'm sorry, 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me.
What's up guys? Today I'm showing you my straight to curly routine. I'm going to show you how to get your curls back and poppin' after you flat iron them. So as you can see, my hair is really frizzy and my ends, yikes, need some moisture right away. I've had my hair straight for about 5 days now. So what I'm going to do is I always start out with a deep conditioning treatment and I kind of make my own. So I take some olive oil and I probably use about 1/4 of a cup. I just kind of eyeball it. That's how much I use there. And then I like to take a conditioner or whatever deep conditioner you have. Today I'm using the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. I really like this mask because it has shea butter and argan oil in it, along with all the other good stuff that your hair needs after putting heat on it. It's almost empty, as you can see, because I use it all the time. I love it, so I'm just using a spoon to scrape out the rest of it. And I would say I probably use like 2 parts conditioner, 1 part of the olive oil. So now I'm just going to mix it up, and then I pop this thing into the microwave, which is why I'm using a mug. I just put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds so that it's warm, but make sure it's not too hot because you don't want to burn yourself. Yeah. So now my hair is obviously still dry and still straight, so this is the first thing I do when I'm trying to get my curls back. So I'm going to dip my hair into the mug, really focusing in on the ends because the ends of my hair are what needs the most attention after straightening it. So I'm just going to work this all throughout my entire head, starting at my ends all the way up to my roots. So once my hair is fully coated, I'm just going to wrap it up into a bun and sleep on it overnight. I really want this conditioner and olive oil to seep into my hair and really moisturize it and get my curls back. If you can't sleep with it overnight, then at least leave it in for, I would say, 30 minutes at least, so that you can really moisturize your hair before washing. If you are going to sleep with it overnight, I like to put a plastic shower cap over my hair and then like secure it down with a headband so that the oil and stuff doesn't get all over your pillows or anything like that. Alright, so it's the next day and now I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair with a Diva Curl No Poo shampoo and the One Condition Decadence conditioner. It's important to use hydrating products and products that are good for your curls so that your curls will spring back to life. So now I'm just detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. And then I'm going to take my Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture Hydrating Mask. And I'm just going to put like a thin layer over my entire head, like over all of my hair. Not too much, but enough so that your hair is coated. And the reason I'm using a mask is because I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm just going to leave it in and then style my curls how I normally would. And I'm using this mask because once again, after straightening our hair, our curls need that extra moisture to really get those curls back. So instead of just like doing a protective style, I feel like you can just add in this mask and then you can still style your curls how you want it, and it's still kind of like a protective style. So then you just saw me right here. I'm using the Diva Curl styling gel, and I'm using this to, of course, not only style my curls and give them some, you know, texture to hang on to, but also to seal in that mask that I just used so that your hair gets nice and moisturized. Count how many times I say moisturized and hydrated in this video. Comment down below. So here I am just doing my normal routine. I'm scrunching all that product into my hair and shaking it out so my roots aren't like stuck to my scalp. And then here I'm just showing you the definition that I do have after just this one wash from straight to curly. You can see my curl definition is pretty good. There are some wavy pieces, but I always have wavy pieces. So my last step for products, I'm going to take some serum to, of course, lock in the products that I just used and to add some shine to my hair so it doesn't look so dull and dry. So after straightening my hair, the front of my hair needs the most attention in the work as far as like curls springing back to life, because they were pretty frizzy and like kind of wavy, kind of just all over the place. So what I do is I take a section and I smooth it out, and then I just twist it around my finger so that it makes a curl, and then I'll kind of scrunch up the ends so that it will make kind of a big clumped up curl. So once again, smooth it out, and then I'm just twisting it around my fingers, and then I'm going to scrunch them, and then you can see it makes like big chunky curls, which we'll separate once our hair is completely dry. Yeah, so I'm just helping my curls figure out exactly what they're supposed to be doing, what kind of shape they're supposed to be in. So this kind of finger coiling method you can do over your entire head, or any pieces that you just are like, what is this curl doing? Work. Try this finger coiling method out and let me know what you think. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry. I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to promote frizz. So I'll be back in a few hours once it's dry. So this is what my hair looks like now that it's dry. It turned out pretty fluffy. As you can see, I didn't separate these curls in the front yet because I wanted to show you what they look like when they were dry. So yeah, so you see like this clumped one. I'll just, once it's all completely dry, I'll just separate it. And yeah, those curls came back nice and poppin'. My hair feels still a little bit dry, like on the top of here, like a couple sections back here, but after another wash and go, it usually bounces back completely. Yeah, so it's okay to straighten your hair every once in a while, switch it up. Like I said earlier, I went to the dry bar and they pretty much always know what they're doing. Just make sure you ask for someone who knows how to do curly hair. If you want a full like tutorial or hack on my experience at the dry bar and how it goes for me, then please let me know, because I think a lot of people think that the dry bar is only for like people with straight hairs, but really I find it really helpful, and I've been putting all my curly girl friends on it and they always have a good experience when they go. So if you want to see like a vlog type of thing where I go to the dry bar and you know what to tell them, what products to tell them to use in your hair and all that stuff, then leave me a comment down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in my next video.